scripture, verse, chapter of the day. That the righteousness of the law might be fulfilled in us, who walk not after the flesh, but after the Spirit. For they that are after the flesh do mind the things of the flesh, but they that are after the Spirit, the things of the Spirit. For to be carnally minded is death, but to be spiritually minded is life and peace. So, nothing much today. This little one behind me has been playing the whole entire time since we've been here by herself, which is, no problem to me because she's content. She's doing her thing. But today I just wanted to share some things that I just found out or discovered. I know it's probably been out for years or whatever, but it's new to me. Okay, it's new to me. But I have been really interested in traveling. I want to travel more, and so I wanted to search some things that can contribute to being on long car rides, because I don't like sitting in the car for too long. But at the same time, I also enjoy the experience, being able to see different things. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here are a few things that I saw on Amazon, because Amazon is the place to be. Okay, so I saw this. A female urinal. Literally. I would have never thought that there'd be something this convenient to have on your car rides. I mean, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. And what better way to do it than to make it as convenient as possible? Female urinal, because period. You have a water bottle and you cuff it up under you and you do your thing. I approve. I approve. Then here, duh, you can do it outdoors. Especially going camping, like that's convenient. I'd rather do that than to be squatted over a bush. The possibility of a creature crawl. Never mind. And then, like pregnancy, we've had 3. That, you ain't even gotta tell me twice. And then, now see, are we really out here peeing while standing in lines? Is that what we're doing today? Is that? I'm sorry. Can you say that a little bit louder? Is that what we're doing? Hey, I just didn't know that's, I didn't know. Okay, next one. Most definitely can see injury, because if you can't move, if you ain't mobile, then what you gonna do? And then, of course, public bathrooms for sure. Okay, so yeah, this is, I approve. Okay, the most wildest one of them all, that is my personal favorite. The car trash can. Stop playing with me. Stop it. This is like the most greatest thing, but like, of course, I mean, we can carry a trash bag. All right, cool. I mean, but car trash can, like, that is a game changer to me. I know you're probably like, girl, that's been out for years. Look, it's a new invention to me. I did not know this existed, and that is cool. And then it's crazy because like it's multi-purpose. You could use it to sit on. You can use it to vomit on. You can use it as a toilet. And you can use it as a storage box. It's bittersweet. I mean, all of those things that you could use it for, but cross-contamination in a lot of areas. Still gets an approval. I'm not even gonna lie, it still gets an approval. I will buy it. And then we got fruit punch. I'm just kidding. But that is all for this video. Yeah, I just wanted to share some things because hey, I thought they were interesting.
Hey, Mommy.
And yeah, thank you for, you know, sticking around and hanging out and checking me out.
Yeah. Good now.
But yeah, thank you for sticking around to the end. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, and if you didn't, let me know in the comments and we can talk about it. We can talk about it. Subscribe if you want to. Subscribe if you want to. All right, but nothing else. Peace and love. And yeah, until next time, hopefully you come back.